Hello students, here is the question. Let z1 z2 be the roots of the equation z square plus az plus 12 equal to 0 and z1 and z2 form an equilateral triangle with the origin. So we need to find the value of mod a. Now here we know that when complex numbers form equilateral triangle, the equation satisfies the equality, that is z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square is equal to z1 z2 plus z2 z3 plus z1 z3. Now this is when we have 3 points and they make an equilateral triangle. Now we know that one point out of them is origin, so let's take z3 to be the origin. So all the other terms get 0 or cancelled, and this is the term that's remaining. Now we can say that z1 square plus z2 square equal to z1 z2 can be simplified as we will put plus 2 z1 z2 on both sides. Now plus 2 z1 z2 plus z1 z2 becomes 3 z1 z2, and z1 square plus 2 z1 z2 plus z2 square will become z1 plus z2 the whole square. And we know z1 plus z2 the whole square is a, and a the whole square becomes 36 because z1 z2, that is the product of the roots, is 12. So 12 into 3 is 36, and the sum of the roots is minus a, or so minus a the whole square will become a square equal to 36. So mod of a will become 6. Thank you.